the future of artificial intelligence. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore the latest developments in AI and its implications for society. AI is becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives, from voice assistants to advanced machine learning algorithms. Breakthroughs in natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics are enabling machines to understand, learn, and make decisions like never before. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries across the board, from healthcare and transportation to finance and entertainment. In healthcare, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, analyze medical images with precision, and suggest personalized treatment plans. Self-driving cars powered by AI algorithms are poised to make our roads safer and more efficient. As AI continues to advance, it raises important ethical considerations. Questions about data privacy, algorithmic bias, and job displacement need to be addressed. On the positive side, AI has the potential to automate mundane tasks, freeing up time for more meaningful work. It can also unlock new possibilities in scientific research and help us tackle global challenges like climate change. The future of artificial intelligence holds immense promise and potential. It's crucial for us to stay informed and engaged as this transformative technology continues to shape our world. What are your thoughts on the future of AI? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with future content. Feel free to share this video with others who might find it interesting. Until next time, take care and keep exploring.